everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. Today I have a really nice product. It's the 18-inch high-pressure surface washer by SILIVN. Let's quickly take a look in the box and see what comes inside. First thing we have here is the installation sheet that tells you how to assemble it and how to use it properly. Alright, in the package you can see they provide us with 2 rolls of Teflon tape with the 2 spray nozzles that are used to wrap the threads on that and insert it into the spray bar. They also provide you with 8 washers, 8 O-rings for the swivel top, and also a declogging pin for what you push down into the center of the nozzle to clean it out. So that's nice. And here you can see they provide us with 2 17-inch pressure washer extension wands with a 1/4-inch quick connect on them. Let's take the plastic off from the 18-inch pressure washer surface cleaner. Alright, I'd like to give you some technical specifications here. The connections for these are 1/4-inch quick plug. The diameter is 18 inches. The maximum water pressure is 4,000 psi. The minimum water pressure is 2,000 psi. The maximum water flow is 3.7 GPMs. And the maximum water temperature is 104 degrees. The weight is only 9 pounds for this whole thing. And take a look at the scrubber real quick. Very, very nice. High quality metal. And it's stainless steel all the way around. Heavy duty casters on it. You can see the nice swivel top for that. So you can move the thing in multiple directions. Alright, let's flip it over and see what's on the underside. Taking a look real quick here, you can see there is a heavy duty brush all the way around the perimeter. That's to keep the water and debris from shooting out from underneath it. It works really well, as you'll see in the videos. And you can see the rotating wand on there with the spray nozzles, of course. It has a heavy duty bearing on there. Very nice appearance overall. I like the brushed aluminum look. So I just want to show you how easy it is to connect the 17-inch pressure washer extension wands. They have a 1/4-inch quick coupler on there, and you simply push it on. Locks into place like that. You can see how easy it rotates up and down. And take your second one, of course, and pull back a little bit on and push in, and it clicks right in there. Very easy. There you go. Completely assembled. Not much to it. Pretty simple, and it does work. So let's take it out and do some tests with it and see how it works. Hi everyone, so I'm outside. We're going to be using the SILIVN floor scrubber. And you can see I have it set up with the 2 pieces attached to my power washing wand. You tighten that down a little bit. It won't move on me. Okay, so we're going to start scrubbing the floor here, taking off all this mildew and dirt. And you can see how easily it glides across the surface here. Now, I'm only using a 2,000 psi power sprayer, and I bet if this thing was kicking out with 3,000 psi, it would be truly awesome. But you can see here it glides over the surface and it just takes away all the dirt and mildew and grime on there. And what is really impressive is the water and debris and dirt doesn't splash up on you. It's got this nice little brush all around the perimeter of it and keeps the water and debris all maintained down in its surface instead of spraying up on the sides. I really like that. And the 4 legs that have these heavy-duty casters on it, it just glides over the expansion cracks in my cement, just flowing over the surface. Very easy to use. And there's no stress, no strain in pushing this around. So very easy on the body when you're using this cleaning off surfaces. And you can see here with the final result, very nice with how it cleaned the surface of my cement between my garage and my house. So next, let's take a look and see how it works on a deck. Okay, so our next demonstration is going to be using the power scrubber on my front deck. As you can see the difference here while it's starting to clean, you can see all the dirt, debris, and mildew on the deck, and there's not a lot of excess water because all the water is falling in between the slats and the deck boards. Big difference there, but you can actually see the quality of cleaning job it's doing. I really like it's so easy to maneuver this around with these nice heavy-duty casters. It just makes the job a breeze. Works really fast. And the way this is going, I'll be done in no time at all. So that's my review on the SILIVN high pressure 18-inch surface cleaner. This thing worked great. I only had 2,000 PSI, as you saw in the video coming out of my power washer. 3,000 would make this thing phenomenal. What I really like about this cleaner, it's made of stainless steel all the way around. It's fully sealed bearings on this, so it makes the product withstand stronger pressures, and it can improve durability of this product. There is almost no maintenance during the entire life cycle of the equipment, allowing you to have a better experience. As you saw, as I was pushing it around, it's effortlessly with those caster bearings. They make it really nice to use. It has a built-in filter at the entrance to prevent clogging of impurities. You can purchase this on Amazon, $131.99, and I'll leave that quick link down below so you have easy access to it. Folks, great deck cleaner, great cement cleaner. Can't go wrong with this. I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. Great product. I can't say too much. There's really nothing to it. You just simply hook it up to your power sprayer and let it do its thing. Great product. I like it. So if you think the video was helpful in helping you make an educated decision on purchasing this product, why don't you give me a big thumbs up? Hey, it really does help my channel grow. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget that bell to the right, because you can catch all my upcoming videos, and I got a lot more coming. So again, this is Captain Mark saying to you, thank you always for watching my videos, and I hope they're helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.